As China's international trading business continues to mature, the ability to buy on credit has become an increasing need for overseas buyers to make purchases from suppliers in China. To serve this need, Alibaba.com has jointly launched its e-credit line with two state-owned enterprises, Bank of China and China Export and Credit Insurance Corporation. E-Credit Line is an open account transaction supported by Export Credit Insurance. It's a transaction where the goods are shipped and delivered before the payment is due, which is typically within 60, 90, or 120 days after shipping the goods. This option benefits you in terms of increased cash flow and reduced costs, making your purchases from suppliers in China simple, flexible, and convenient. Alibaba.com's e-credit line is one of the safest transaction types available to buyers. You can purchase now and pay 120 days later. It eases capital pressure and accelerates cash flow, which can positively affect your purchasing power in China. We offer credit limits from $30,000 to $2 million. Please apply for your credit limit according to your exact business needs. For a higher limit, simply send us your request. E-Credit Line is easy to use, and all the processes are online. Simply sign in to http://credit.alibaba.com and click Apply Now to start the application process. Upon approval, you can invite your supplier to take part in a transaction using E-Credit Line. When the supplier confirms this, we will check the qualifications of the supplier. 3 days after the supplier ships the goods, Alibaba will finance the supplier 80% of the payment due for the order. You need to make full repayment before the open account term is due.